Yes, hello, good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, Fizra, Ilsa, Tehzeeb, do you people hear me?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस.
Walaikum assalam, beta. Can you see my screen?
Yes मिस.
Okay, fine. So, how are you, everyone?
मिस
And
आप
yes,
एक्सक्यूज मी मिस.
yes,
मिस आपको मेरी आवाज सही आ रही है?
जी आ रही है. Now mute your mic
मतलब
and
अटक अटक के तो नहीं आ रही?
no, mute your mic now and yes, mute your mic now and turn on the camera, everyone. Turn on the camera so that we will start our lesson for today. Today, as we have finished our chapter 1, what is science? Now, this is the recap of the lesson. I am going to show you some questions one by one, like fill in the blanks, true and false, some reason questions, so that I'll check how much you have understood about this lesson. Okay, so everyone, if when I show you the question, you people just raise your hand and I will unmute him or her so that only that student will answer me. Okay. So this is our lecture number. Sorry, this is our lecture number 8. Today is our lecture number 8. Fine. So now let's test ourselves. Fill in the blanks. The first blank you can see here is science is involved in providing science is involved in the food by providing us with yes, science is involved in the food by providing us with what the science provides us, what the food provides us by involving the science. Yes, when we eat food, what do we get? Yes, Barira?
Energy.
Yes, energy. We get energy when we eat food, it digests in our body. It helps us to grow. It helps in the formation of our cells and tissues so that we get energy. It provides us energy. Food provides us energy. Next is science is the systematic study of dash. Yes, everyone write down the everyone write down the answer in the chat box. Science is a systematic study of dash. No, don't need to copy. No need to copy it. Beta, just write down the answer in the chat box.
मिस ये कॉपी में करना है क्या?
No. No, this is just for your practice.
ओके मिस.
This is just for your practice, beta. Everything is given in the book. I'm only asking you some blanks and true and false and some questions. Nature is that science is the systematic study of. Yes, write down the answer, everyone. And also write down the answer. Yes, write Alina, write Sadhan. You beta also write down the answer of blank number 1. Only Barira, she has provided us answer. Rest of you, please write down the answer in the chat box. Science is involved in food by providing us with what we get when we eat food and how science is involved in eating food. Yes, right. Everyone should participate. Yes, class. Okay, right. Next question. Dash is the study of sun, moon, stars, and heavenly bodies. Dash is the study. It's a branch of science in which we study about sun, moon, stars, and heavenly bodies. You have to name that branch of science. everyone, Zoha Iqbal, Tehzeeb Pirzada, Taha Khan, Rabia Shehzad, Musawwir Mehboob, Mohammad Saad Anjum, Mohammad Ayan Aziz, Malahim Ali, Maha Mushtuba, Hamza Zahir, Khizra Ali, Ilsa Tanzir, Hamna Qassaf, Hamad Madni, Iraj Fatma, Dua Anwar Jamali, Barira Wajahat, Ayan Samad, Ayan Ali, Amna Sham, Amara Khan, Aliza Adil, Alina Abid, Alize Khan, Aliza Khan, Aliya Uzair Bhatti, Affan Adnan, and Abdul Rahman, Aban Ahmad. There are 28 students in the class, and I want all 28 replies from everyone. Yes, right. Those who are writing the answers, I have checked. Zoha Iqbal, Aliza Adil. Yes, beta. Amna, this is wrong. Your answer is wrong, Amna. Please look into the book. You did not learn the definition, na? That's why. Walaikum assalam, Iraj. Yes. Right. Now next, Amna, please correct your answer. Kitchen tools, washing machine, air conditioners are the latest dash which has made our life easier and save time. Kitchen tools, washing machine, air conditioners are the latest dash. What comes in this space? What comes in this blank? These are all the latest what? No, no, not tools. These are the latest dash kitchen tools like microwave oven, like food factory and juicer blenders, ovens. They all have some what they have that helps us in our daily life. It is the application of scientific knowledge. It is the application of scientific knowledge. It has a particular word that we use. Kitchen tools, washing machine, air condition. Right, Sadonjum, good. Malahim. Yes. Afan, your answer is wrong, beta. Please correct it. Ayan Ali, Malahim right, Amna Hasham right, Barira wrong. Though they are machines, but they have something in them. Means the scientists they applied their scientific knowledge for the benefit of mankind. These all machines are beneficial for us. The answer comes here, technology. Kitchen tools, washing machine, air conditioners are the latest technology which have made our life easier and save time. Got it? Technology. The answer comes here, technology. So the first answer, science is involved in the food by providing us with energy. Second, science is the systematic study of nature. Dash is the study of sun, moon, stars, and heavenly bodies. Means astronomy. Kitchen tools, washing machine, air conditioners are latest technology which has made our lives easier. Now next, life-saving machines in the hospitals shows the importance of dash in the field of medicine. Importance of what? Life-saving machines in the hospitals show the importance of dash in the field of medicine. So don't, better Yusuf, don't copy it. Just sit, focus on the screen, focus on the lesson. Try to answer. Keep your books open if you want. Keep your books open. So there is no index. We are not doing any written work, Muhammad Hassan. I am showing you some fill in the blanks, true and false, some tidbits so that we recap or revise the lesson. This is only the review of this chapter, water science, because when you will be here on Monday in school, we will start next chapter. Okay, so life-saving machines in the hospitals show the importance of dash in the field of medicine. Yes, what it shows, write down the answer everyone. Importance of science, this is correct. Importance of technology, this is also correct. Okay, so life-saving machines in the hospitals, they show the importance of science. It can, here we can write down science, this is correct, or we can also use technology in the field of medicine. This is also correct. Means both the answers are right. Science and technology, both the answers are right. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? Life-saving machines in the hospital show the importance of science and technology in the field of medicine. Okay, now next. Dash is a suggested explanation that can be tested. Now, walaikum assalam, Anand. No, 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 we are not doing anything in the copy. Don't try to write it down. Don't do this work in the copy. This is only the review. This is your assessment. Like, I want to check your knowledge, how much you have learned from this chapter. Sadanjum, your answer is wrong. Beta suggested Malahim, right? Sadanjum, wrong answer. This is wrong answer. When we suggest something that can be tested, suggested explanation, dash is called a suggested explanation. Maybe this happens, maybe that happens. Later on, we plan and design the experiment to test it. Then it becomes a theory. This is the second stage of scientific method. This is the second stage of scientific method. Hypnosis. No, no. What are you writing? Experiment, no. Muhammad Ali bin Salman, beta, we do experiment by after this stage. Experiment is the third stage. Yes, Hamad Madni, right. This is right, Hamad. A suggested explanation is called, yes, write down the answer. Suggested explanation is called apparatus. Ayan Aziz, are you in your senses? Here we are talking about the suggested explanation. This is the second step of scientific method. Yes, Asfar Amjad, right. Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz, right. Soha Iqbal, right. Barira, wrong. Barira, wrong. Look into the scientific method of study. There is in the chart on page number, let me tell you, this is given in chart page number 5. This is given on page number 5 in the where figure 1.2 stages in the scientific method. It is explained. A suggested explanation is called dash. A suggested explanation is called dash. Yes, Aliza, this is correct. Yes, Aliza. Hypothesis. So what is the answer for blank? This blank hypothesis is a suggested explanation that can be tested. Okay, like first we observe, if I have given you example of toaster, that if we in the morning, if we put our bread for toasting, if it won't toast, we suggest that maybe there is no electricity power in the home, maybe the toaster is not working properly, maybe the electrical plug switches or electrical mains, they are out of order. So these are the suggested explanation. First, we observe that why it won't toast, then we suggest. Okay, so this is the suggested explanation. hypothesis. Light travels in a dashed line. This is very easy again. Yes, light travels in a dashed line. Right, right, everyone. A straight line. This is so light travels in a straight line. This is a hypothesis. Uh, we suggest that light travels in a straight line. Then we have to check it. Then we have to do an experiment whether it travels or not travels. Okay. So light travels in a straight line. It becomes a theory after testing it. Right. Now next is Isaac Newton introduced his three famous laws of dash. Isaac Newton introduced his three famous laws of dash. What he introduced? Aban, Ayan Samad. Yes, right, right, everyone. So how do we remember that? When it comes Newton, is you should immediately answer. You have to remember that Newton introduced laws of motion. So when it comes, if it comes like, अगर मैं यहाँ पे, if I'll give the name of the laws of motion, if I write laws of motion and did not write the or did not tell you the name of the scientist, you should immediately write down Isaac Newton. Or if you write only Newton, this is also correct. So please remember that Newton introduced his three famous laws of motion and also the law of gravity. Okay, also the law of gravity. We will learn the law of gravity in chapter force and pressure. Safety rules are to be observed in the dash to make it a safe working place. Safety rules are to be observed in the dash. Where do we observe? In the school? Yes, in the school, not library. In the school where we are supposed to follow the safety rules. In the school, yes, laboratory, because it's dangerous if we do not follow the safety rules. It becomes dangerous for us. Okay, so safety rules are to be observed in the dash to make it a safe working place. Do not enter the laboratory without the dash permission. Do not enter the laboratory without the dash permission. Yes, right. Teacher's permission. When your teacher asks you to enter, only then you enter. Otherwise, you are not allowed to enter the laboratory without the teacher's permission. Right, everyone? Next, state whether true or false. Now, first, technology is the application of scientific knowledge. Correct or incorrect? True or false? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge. Right. Everyone, please write down the answer. Yes, next is atomic bombing, air pollution are the examples of right use of technology. Atomic bombing, air pollution are the examples of right use of technology. Yes, false. Right. So next, online class is possible with the help of science and technology. Correct or incorrect? Online class is possible with the help of science and technology. Also write down, if you are writing correct or incorrect, whatever, also write down the technology we are using right now, which technology we are using for taking this class. We are using two different technologies. Yes, right. We are using internet. First technology is the internet. Internet is also the technology. We are using internet and we are using smart devices like laptop, smartphones, mobiles, tabs. These are the smart devices and internet. We are using two different technologies. Okay. Internet, first technology is internet. Second technology is smart device. Okay. Next is latest machines and drones helps us in the farming is the misuse of technology. Latest machines and drones helps us in the farming is the misuse of technology. Is this correct? Is this true or false? Our farmers, they use latest machines for increasing the crop for better crops and growth, and drones to spray the pesticides or some other medicine, drugs to kill the pest or insects, which helps them in farming. Is the misuse of technology. False, right. Science and technology does not help us to stop the flood from happening. True or false? Science and technology does not help us to stop the flood from happening. Science and technology does not, this is true. Science and technology can inform us prior, but science and technology cannot help us to stop the flood. Science and technology can inform us about the flood, about the storm, about the raining, but they cannot stop them from happening. They cannot, science and technology both cannot stop the disasters from happening. This is the limitation. You people, those who have written false answer, they are wrong. This is true. This is true that science and technology has some limitation. It can tell us, it can forecast the rain, storm, or flood, but it cannot stop them from happening. Right? Next, give reason as to why a photographer needs to know science. Write down the answer. Why a photographer needs to know science. You can take help from the book. Not only to take good pictures, before that, only to take good before. Pictures will be the outcome. Yes, right, Hamza. Sorry, Hamad Nandi. Understand the nature of light. Why he needs to know science? To understand the nature of light, that in which like bright light, dim light, dull light, in which light he can take good pictures. So can, he knows the He needs to know science to understand the nature of life. An artist needs to know science. An artist needs to know science. Why an artist needs to know science? Mixing of colors and painting. He needs to know science of mixing colors and painting materials. Means he or she should know that which colors will be made when we mix different colors and what are the painting materials will be best for painting a good picture. Okay, mixing of colors and painting material. An artist needs to know the science of mixing colors and painting materials. Write the complete answer. Zoha, I need complete answer. So next is a plumber needs to know science. Why a plumber needs to know science? Can anybody answer why a plumber needs to know science? To repair the damages, right? To fit the pipelines, to clean the drain lines. Water pipelines should be fitted in such a way he fits the pipes. He fit, uh, he can fit the pipes, water pipeline according to the laws of gravity and pressure, so that everything works properly. Yes, he should know when he is working on water pipeline, he should know the laws of gravity and pressure. Yes, right. Next, a smartphone is an example of technology. Is this correct? A smartphone is an example of technology. Do you know which technologies are being used in the smartphone? No, no, don't copy it. As for this, I'm not asking this is true or false. I'm asking why a smartphone is an example of technology. Which technologies are being used in the smartphone? You should only write down the names. The operating system, internet, for example, Android, if the Samsung smartphones, Android, if iPhones or iOS systems. Yes, Infinix, Oppo, all use Android. And besides operating system, there are cellular network system, Wi-Fi to means Wi-Fi to catch the Wi-Fi to work with the Wi-Fi. There is a technology built-in Wi-Fi is used in some phones and some most and beside that, first of all, the LCD screens. Okay, there are different technologies are being used in smartphones. So we can say is an example of technology. Okay. Again, some blanks. Strong acids and alkali are the dash substances. Strong acids and alkali are the dash substances. Strong acids and alkali are. This is from the table hazardous substances. Table 1.2, I think. This is from table 1.2. Strong acids and alkali are the dash substances. Right, Asfarabjit. Strong acid and alkali are which type of substances? I'm not asking false or true. Just write down the type of hazardous substance. Corrosive. Right. Keep dash substance away from fire and heat. Keep dash substance away from fire and heat. Keep dash substance away from fire and heat. Which type of substances should be kept away from fire and heat? Yes. Right. Just few students are answering. Not everyone. There are 37 students present in the class and just 4-5 students are replying. Next, dash substances usually explode when heated or lit. Dash substances usually explode when heated or lit. Right, Ali bin Salman. Ali bin Salman, right. Explosive. Number 4, avoid direct contact with dash substances which causes burn. Avoid direct contact with dash substances which causes burn. Yes, right. Okay, now next is do not eat, drink or taste any dash substance. Do not eat, drink or taste any dash substance. Which substance we should not eat, drink or taste? Which hazardous substance? Yes, right, Muhammad Ali bin Salman. Poisonous or toxic substances should not be eaten, drunk or tasted. Okay. Dash is the example of irritating or stimulative substances. Dash is the example of irritating or stimulative substances. There are 3 examples given in your book. You can name any one. You can name any one example. Dash is the example of irritating or stimulative substances. There are, yes. Right. Yes, there are 3 examples given. You can name any. You can name any one. Now again, true and false. Strong acids or alkali should not be kept in the water bottles. Strong acids or alkali should not be kept in the water bottles. Is this true or false? Yes, next is laboratory apparatus enable us to carry out experiments successfully. True, false. Laboratory apparatus enable us to carry out experiments successfully. Laboratory apparatus, yes. True, yes, true. False. Zohair, why are you writing false? This is true, better. Laboratory apparatus helps us to carry out experiments successfully. Next is beaker supports the apparatus during heating. Beaker supports the apparatus during heating. Look on page number 10. On page number 10, in the table 1.3, common laboratory apparatus, look which whether beaker supports on page number 9. This is on page number 9, yes. Check if the use of beaker is correctly mentioned here. Beaker supports the apparatus during heating. Does it support? Is it true or false? Muhammad Arham, you are writing true. How come? Beaker does not support it. It is used for taking, look into the use of beaker for, it is used for containing chemicals or collecting liquids. It is not in the lab for supporting different apparatus during heating. Okay, next, evaporating dish is used for evaporating the liquid from a solution. Right, wrong? Is this right or wrong? Evaporating dish is used for evaporating the liquid from a solution. Next is wear goggles when mixing or heating the chemicals. Wear goggles when mixing or heating the chemicals. True or false? Why we? What's the reason? Why we should wear goggles when mixing or heating the chemical? Can anybody give me the reason? Why should we wear goggles when mixing or heating the chemicals? This is a reason question it becomes a reason question. Why this is so? Why we are asked to wear goggles when we mix or heat the chemicals? To protect our eyes, because during heating or mixing the chemicals, there should be spilt out of chemical or bumping in the chemicals, due to which can it can harm our eyes. That's why we are asked to wear goggles when mixing or heating the chemicals. Now next is, okay, this is finished, and if you have any problem, I will discuss or I will re-explain it in the class in the next week when you will be here in the school. And also we will draw the diagrams of laboratory apparatus. Yes, Hamad, just a minute. Yes, Hamad, do you want to ask something? Yes, Hamad. Speak up, beta.
मिस हमारे स्कूल जो खुले हैं उसके
Speak
groups
loudly.
कब आएंगे?
Speak loudly. I
Miss,
can't
groups
hear.
कब आएंगे?
Sorry.
Miss, groups.
Groups may, yes, you people will be coming in the group A and D. The group A will come on Monday, Tuesday, and group B, that is Wednesday, Thursday, I think. Okay, you will be getting the timetable and the days. Okay, so when you will be here, you people will draw the diagram of laboratory apparatus, and then we start the next chapter. For today, I am saying you Allah Hafiz. Take care, everyone, and must bring your complete work in copy 2 on Monday. Allah Hafiz.